It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, we have another house wash. So let's get into it. All right, everybody. As you can see, this is pretty dirty also. What's funny, this is a walk-up customer. I just got through washing that house right over there. Ooh, look how pretty that looks right there. All right, that's enough of that. Okay, we're back over here. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna wash this down. And this is just only a house wash. Gotta get all that up there. Get the back of the house. And as we're doing this, we're gonna look for spots like this that's already damaged. So that spot right there is real bad. This is pretty dirty. It doesn't look like it's red dirt. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna come off pretty easily. So this side is not that bad. We're still gonna hit it with some SH. Make sure that it's clean. Have a little wasp nest right there. We're gonna try to knock that down. We gotta watch out for these cars. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just wet these cars down to make sure that we don't damage them. So just take a look at them. This window is open, so I gotta be careful with that. And this car right here is damaged. But like I said, this side is not that bad, so one coat of SH should do it. Around front, not as bad. It's getting plenty of sunlight, so we should have everything good. You see right here on the edge, before we get started, that is coming off, so we gotta be careful of that. All right, like all the windows are okay. The front door is okay. Look at it a little closer. Look like they try to paint it or something, so you can see some paint marks and stuff on the door. But it's not that bad, so light cleaning, and then rinse it off. Walk around this side. Windows and screens looks pretty good. That's looking pretty good. Got a little green mold, algae right there underneath the deck. So we're gonna try to get that spot right there. On top of the deck, I'm gonna just walk up here. This deck is in real bad shape, guys. It's so bad, I'm not even gonna mention anything about restoring it because it's real bad. So I'm gonna have to be careful going up here. What's that? Right there. Okay, up here. Got some bad algae. Probably take the pump sprayer, try to get that pre-treated. Got a spot right there that's damaged. I got that taped up. Door seal. Look at it, the paint is starting to fade, so gotta be leery of that. Mold and algae right there. Going up the chimney. Same thing right here. Mold and algae going up, so we gotta get the other side. Look over here. Everything looks good over here. Everything looks good over there. Okay, guys, so we did our walkthrough. Let's go ahead and get started. Another crack right here. So, like I said, just taking note of everything that's going on with this house. All right, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and downstream this. We're not gonna exjet it. I believe the downstream should be enough to get all this stuff clean, because the other house that I did across the street, I exjetted it and it came pretty clean. We're gonna start on this side first and work our way around the back and then to the side and the front. All right, let's get started. right, take a look at it. Stuff just coming off wonderful. And you see, as I split it, boom, boom. Perfect. So, as you can see, we're just downstreaming this and it's coming off no problem. We're gonna let that dwell. We're gonna go ahead and do the rest of this side over here. And then we're gonna move around to the back. Coming clean, coming clean, coming clean. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, so we're gonna wash this side down over here. All right, guys, we got some real stubborn areas. Just gonna use the pump spread to hit them real quick. Alright guys, this is a stronger mix, so I'm gonna go ahead and crank up the pressure washer and I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse this off. Okay, I'm gonna let that dwell a little bit, but before I do, I already took the downstream ejector out, so let me go ahead and hit this door, and I'm gonna hit this bush. You notice that's already been dead, so. Done. Let's go ahead and do the side. I already sprayed this side, so one thing I gotta do is just wash it off. All right, Equipmentites, that's going to do it. This is done. Let's take a look at everything. I sprayed some more chemical over here because I had to clean that up there. So I'm trying to get that clean. I think it will come clean. This is the side of the house. Still wet a little bit, so I see a few spots that's still trying to dry, but it's pretty clean. Come around here. This is done. Now, if you notice, there's a little brown stuff that's not coming off. They're gonna have to get a special chemical like Rust Aid, or either the chemical that I get from my supply store to get that off. They didn't want to pay for the extra. I told them in advance that they probably have it on their house, just because I know if the house across the street has it, this one had to have it also. All right, so let's look at the up here. I'm not going up here all the way anymore. This is clean. Look at that gutter. Let's go up. That color. All right, that gutter came spotless. Oh, that's clean. Perfect. Look over here. We have that. It's clean. Have that clean. All right. Let's go downstairs. All right, right here. Way cleaner than what it was. See that damaged spot? I know you remember that. It had like green algae right there, but it's all gone now. And for the final one, hey, spotless. That's what you want to see when you do a house cleaning. Get it all up to the overhang, back down to around the power supply, around the AC unit. All that's clean. And over here, remember there's a spot over there. Look at it a little closer. That's pretty much gone. That's paint. That's not coming off. But like I said, somebody did overspray on the paint, so I can't get that off. Hey, all right, Equipmentites, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining, or at least you learned something from it. If not, you skipped over the good parts, go back and watch the video. Once again, if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, why don't you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you know my next video comes out. This is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Equipment.